Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to talk about find the path matrix with the given directed graph. The given directed graph, it has what? Four different vertices and four edges are there. Okay, what are the four vertices? A, B, C, D, right? Okay, so before we find path matrix with directed graph, so first we recollect what is path matrix definition. That is nothing. Capital P equal to Pij, yeah, of order n by n. So here we consider n is nothing but number of vertices in both rows and columns. That is equal to 1. When we will assign 1 is 1 means there is a path from one point to another point. We assign value is 0. First one, we take both row and column A vertex. Okay. So you start from A, again you come to same point A. If any path is there, we assign value is 1. For example, here path is there. What is your first path? A to C, C to B, B to A. So A to A path is there. So we assign value is 1. Next, you take two vertex A and B. A to B path is there. Travel from A to B. Yes, path is there. A to C, then come to C to B. Path is there. Assign value is 1. What about A to C? A to C also path is the direct path. So assign value is 1. What about A to D? A to D also path is there. I want to travel from A to D. One edge is there. Therefore we assign value is 1. Similarly B to A. B to A path is there. Yes, path is there. B to A. Start from B. Ending point is A. So you and directed edge. So assign value 1. B to B also path is that. You start from B, go to B to A, then come to A to C, then C to B, you get a path. So value is 1. What about B to C? B to C also path is there. How to go from B to C, B to A to C. Okay, so assign value is 1. What this path is that B to A, E. So assign value is 1. C to A, C to A path, yes, B to A path is there 1. C to B is there. So assign value. C to C, yes, path is there. B, A, E. Assign 1. C to D, yes, path is there. C, B to A to D. Okay. There is no path from D to A. So we assign value is 0. What about D? 0. D to B also 0. D to C also 0. D to D also 0. Why? Because there is no edge from starting vertex D to any one of the vertex. Okay. So therefore, this is called what? Adjacency matrix. So your adjacency is capital P equal to 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. So both rows and columns are what? We consider only vertices and also we consider directed path. Okay. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.